Hello everyone. So in this lecture 3 class 9 subject English chapter 1 the fun they had, we will discuss a bit more about the chapter. Let's have a look on the character sketch of the different characters which were there in the story. Margie. Margie is an 11-year-old girl. She uses to write her feelings in a diary. So she was habitual of writing her feelings in a diary. Margie seems to crave an education. Crave means longing, yearning to have something. So Margie seems to crave an education that is interactive, engaging and involved other people. As she did not like to study through mechanical teacher, so she seems to crave an education of the old times. Next character we have is Tommy, who was the sibling of Margie. He is a smart boy. He is older than Margie, being 13 years old. So he was older than Margie, as Margie was 11 years old girl and he was 13 years old. Tommy shares the book with Margie and helps her understand how the schools of the past functioned. So he was a smart boy, he was a knowledgeable boy, and so he shared the book with Margie and let her know about the functioning of the past school. Next character we have is County Inspector. As I told you, the person who is responsible to fix all kind of defects in the mechanical teaching. So he was a mechanic. He is described as a round little man with a red face and whole box of tools with dials and wires. As he was a mechanic, so he was always equipped with dials, wires and all such equipments. Though he was a mechanic, still he has a level of empathy, ability to understand the feelings of each other. So he has a level of empathy and understanding. What sort of understanding? When he was called at Margie's house in order to repair the defect, he understood that Margie's performance was degrading without her fault, as it was the fault of her mechanical teacher. Next is Margie's mother. She keeps Margie to a strict rule schedule. So Margie's mother, she keeps Margie to a strict school schedule, as we can see in the chapter. When she was lost in the imagination of all types of schools, she was called by her mother to attend her school hours. She is a disciplined lady and was careful about the hours of study of her daughter. She was herself a disciplined lady, and so she wanted her daughter to be the same, and also she was worried about her career. She strongly believes in the mechanical teacher's ability to teach each child individually. So she has a perspective that the mechanical teacher is able enough to teach little girls individually, and so she wanted her daughter to attend her school hours daily at fixed time. Now here is the homework for you, that you have to solve all the questions of part 4 and the question given below. The question is, Tommy thought the old books were funny and a big waste. Why? We read this, that Tommy thought the real books to be a waste. Why? So we will look for the solution in the next lecture.